Hello and welcome to the video. Today, I'll guide you through creating a landing page on MailerLite. It's simple to get started, and if you want to follow along, check the link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account. First, navigate to the Sites page from your dashboard. By default, you'll see the Landing Pages tab. Click on New Site to start building your landing page. Enter a name for your landing page and then click Save and Continue. Next, choose a group for your landing page. This helps you organize and manage your pages. Finally, select how you want to build your landing page, whether using a template or starting from scratch. Once you agreed with your page, click Save and then Publish. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for your support.